Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Cadillac XT5? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The engine compartment fuse box of the 2026 Cadillac XT5 is designed as a central power distribution hub that manages and protects the vehicle's critical electrical systems. It houses a combination of fuses and relays that safeguard components such as the engine control module, cooling fans, fuel system, headlights, and various sensors. Built for modern automotive demands, it ensures stable power flow while instantly interrupting circuits during overloads or short circuits to prevent electrical damage or fire hazards. This fuse box is typically engineered with a compact, weather-resistant housing that protects internal components from heat, dust, and moisture inside the engine bay. It features clearly labeled circuits for easier identification during diagnostics or maintenance, reducing service time and complexity. In many modern Cadillac designs, the system also supports advanced electronic monitoring, allowing technicians to quickly trace faults using onboard diagnostics. Its accessible layout ensures safer servicing while maintaining a high level of reliability for the vehicle's overall electrical performance. Instrument Panel Fuse Box. The instrument panel fuse box of the 2026 Cadillac XT5 is an essential interior electrical control unit that manages and protects many of the vehicle's cabin-related and low-voltage systems. It typically handles circuits for features such as the infotainment system, dashboard displays, interior lighting, power windows, climate control interfaces, audio system, and various driver assistance modules. By distributing and regulating electrical flow, it ensures that sensitive electronic components inside the cabin remain protected from voltage spikes or short circuits. Positioned conveniently within the instrument panel area, usually behind a cover on the driver's side, this fuse box is designed for quick access during inspection or maintenance. It is organized with clearly labeled fuse slots and relays, allowing technicians to identify and replace components efficiently. Built with precision engineering, it helps maintain stable electrical performance across the vehicle's interior systems, while supporting modern connectivity and comfort features found in the 2026 Cadillac XT5. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box of the 2026 Cadillac XT5 serves as a dedicated power distribution center for the vehicle's rear-mounted and auxiliary systems. It typically manages electrical circuits for components such as the tail lights, rear cargo lighting, power liftgate, rear climate controls if equipped, rear audio or entertainment modules, parking sensors, and trailer wiring connections. By organizing and protecting these circuits, the fuse box ensures reliable operation while safeguarding against overloads, short circuits, or electrical faults in the rear of the vehicle. Designed for convenient access in the rear cargo area, the fuse box is usually housed in a compact, protective casing that shields internal fuses and relays from moisture, dust, and vibration. Its layout includes clearly labeled slots for easy identification and replacement of fuses, simplifying diagnostics and maintenance. This design not only enhances the safety and durability of rear electrical systems, but also supports the modern functionality and versatility expected from the 2026 Cadillac XT5. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.